Single shooting. San Juan having trouble putting the ball in the basket. Not that time though. Open look from Mike Calisan.
Kima nila di Gilas uniform.
Oh yeah.
In any way, shape, or form. We talk about a talented young man.
Aldrich Ramos.
Oh yeah.
Diba?
Oh, original yan.
Bossy Tancinco from rainbow distance.
Down the stretch below the 2-minute mark. Another nice pass inside. Calisaan, pinahirapan ng konti.
Pasa sa labas, lakap, pumukol sa tres, malakas. Rebound sleep. He will push it.
Nice brush screen.
Side step. Count it plus the foul. Abadiano. Pocket pass, Ramos, extra feed, Wamar, corner pocket 3. Lista mo na yan.
They drop into a zone to try to disrupt, no? Kung ano man yung krinokis ng Sarangani doon na mabigat doon, hindi na sila nakashoot, hindi pa sila bumaba sa depensa.
30-21, 4 minutes gone by in the second period. Pero Mingan all net from long distance. Had a little bit of momentum, but he was there getting a steal, getting rebounds.
As Villanantes with a strong move inside. Even though Kevin Kiambao won Rookie of the Year, and then from what I remember, you know, it was a career-threatening injury, which yun nga, sa brain, as you see the fast break by Boral, and playing basketball obviously at a high level still.
Boral blocked from behind by Ken Brillantes. San Juan's turn to turn the ball over leads to this layup in transition by Principe Rumingan.
It looked to be leading to a snowball effect. Palaki ng palaki lamang, no? Lumaki sa from trailing 4 then lumaki sa siyam. Yung kalamangan ng San Juan, dumikit ulit ang Sarangani ngayon, but
one and done that time for Sarangani. Omar content on
Nice
sharing
move.
the ball. JP Boral in the rebounding department ang San Juan.
and yet it's only an 8-point lead.
Layup palakas pero yung putback na doon para kay JP Boral. Chance to pad on to their lead. Wamar. Bounce pass. Jericho Nunez. Lost it. Tancinco recovers. And playing just his 5th game for San Juan. Here he is with the gorgeous finish off that nice feed from Terence Cortea. Raylan Torres. Off the dribble, lays it up and in. How about that nice move from Raylan Torres to close out the first half. Terence, skip pass, Torres sets his feet, fires, and knocks down the 3.
And then reading the defense from the weak side, tumag yung tao ni Raylan, na libre siya, Brillantes. Will he beat the clock? Did he beat the clock?